Good afternoon, everybody. Jay here with Rogers Motorcars. A very exciting car here. I'm in love with this car. Can't wait to tell you all about it. I will start it here in a minute after we do a little walk around and talking. I will show you under the hood as well. It's a beautiful 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Awesome car. This car has the Corvette Corrections chassis underneath it. The body was put on top of the chassis, and all the driveline was done by Corvette Corrections. After that, it was painted by A&E Classics in New Braunfels, Texas, which is very close to Corvette Corrections there in Seguin, Texas. And they did a great job. So this car has the LS3 525 horse race motor that was purchased brand new at Seguin Chevrolet. It's got a TKX 5-speed manual transmission with the Silver Sport transmissions kit, her shifter, and I've driven this car quite a bit, and it is tight. That shifter, if you're missing a gear in this car, you don't know how to drive a stick. Very nice. TMI interior. It's got C4 Corvette rear axle assembly, rack and pinion steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, hydro boost braking. Very nice. Stops like a dime. This car drives like an everyday car. It really does. It rides like one. It handles like one. Gets about 22 miles to the gallon. So the previous owner, my client, put about 30,000 miles on this car, and he drove it all over the country, did all of the big hot rod tours. It's dialed in. Vintage AC. When you're riding around, I was riding the other day, it was 100 degrees outside, and I had that fan on the first speed level, and it was nice and cold in there. Sitting in traffic, did not overheat, no problems at all. It's got a trans cooler on it as well. This is a Corvette Crystal Red, beautiful in the sun. Let's see if we can focus in here. Yep, so very nice, lots of metallic, gorgeous. The top, the black, is Ford Tuxedo Black, so it's got a ton of flake in it as well. Stunning. Sound system in this car is got a kicker sound system. I'll show you some of that here in a second. It's got the kick panel speakers, got them on the back shelf. Subwoofer under the front seats. It's Bluetooth. On the front here, we do have PPF. PPF starts right here, goes straight across, comes up over the front of these lights. So that's all nice and protected from any rock chips to this gorgeous paint job. Go ahead and pop the hood here, we'll take a look. Okay, here we go. LS3, 6.2 liter, it's the 525 horse. Sounds great. This car is a screamer. Blast to drive, lots of power. Even in fifth gear at 70 miles an hour, it's got torque. Everything's nice and tucked away. This firewall looks great. There's our cooling system here. It's got a B-Cool radiator, fans. Horns work, all the lights work. It's a very nice car. It's a very high dollar car to build. Okay, we'll come on inside and take a look. Very nice TMI interior kit. All the seats are in great condition. No issues here. Pull this forward. Take a look at the back seats. A lot of time and effort went into this car here. Dakota gauges. Go ahead and give it a start. There we are. We're sitting at 30,377. Like I said, everything's working there. Put our AC on right here. Vents here. Vents over in the corners as well. Beautiful first shifter, and this is just so tight. I mean, that's in gear. It's just click, click, click. It's really nice gated shifter there. Do have some USB ports here. So you just turn that on. You can plug in for some charging here. This button is for the Bluetooth radio, so there's no head unit here. You just push this on and Bluetooth your phone, and you use your phone to play music. Here on the side, that's the emergency brake. That's an electronic emergency brake. It does not work when the car is on and running. So when you shut it off, you can hit that button and it'll lock it up, or you can leave it in gear, whichever you prefer. Nice mirror here. Horn works. Steering wheel's nice here. It does have tilt wheel as well. Very comfortable in here. I don't see any damage or flaws. Let's take a listen to this bad boy here. Going a little long in the video, but I want to cover everything. It's got Flowmaster exhaust. Love driving this car. My first car was a 55 Chevy, so I jumped at the chance to tool around in this thing. And 90 miles an hour on the highway, 2,500 RPM, and you can let go of the steering wheel and it drives straight as an arrow. When you hit the brakes, it stops straight, it does not swerve. There's no bottoming out anywhere. Car hooks up real well. Gorgeous. We do have our filler here for fuel right there. Pop that back in. I'll have some pictures inside the trunk. That's nice and clean. There's panels in there that you can pull off, and you'll find a battery behind the panels. There's a battery cutoff switch there as well. All your amps and everything are tucked away. Show you these speakers in here. Of course, you've got them in the back shelf back there. And then you have these kick panel speakers down here as well. The sound system is awesome in this car. I mean, it's better than my Lexus. So beautiful car. We're gonna do a lot of content with this one. We got some videos driving and stuff that are coming out. So click subscribe, like the video, follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. We can ship this to you enclosed trailer. Put it right to your driveway. If you need financing, we offer it. I can actually put a warranty on this car as well. So through Freedom Warranty Company, we do have a warranty. If anything goes down on it, you can be covered, and they're pretty inexpensive, to be honest with you. There are mileage limitations. I think it's, don't quote me, but I think it's about 5,000 miles a year. But this car's dialed in. Customer did 30,000 miles. There's no issues. Very comfortable to drive. So, hope to hear from you soon on this one. I don't think it's going to last very long. Holler at me. Sorry for the long video. I just wanted to get everything out of the way because a lot of people have questions. So we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.